Did you know that around 40% of women experience visible hair loss by the age of 50? And by the age of 80, this jumps right up to 80%. Hey, I'm Hafsa, one of Current Body's beauty tech experts, and today I will be chatting with you about some of the most common causes of hair loss in women, and I'll be sharing some expert tips with you to help revive or to prevent further thinning. Before we get started, I just want to say that hair loss is a vast topic, and so if there's an element that we don't cover or that you're curious about something, please drop your questions in the comments below and one of our beauty tech experts will get back to you. So, is hair loss reversible? Well, it's not a straightforward yes or no. According to board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Chivers, it's easier to revive the hair that you do have than trying to replace lost hair. But hair regrowth is not out of the question. Many experts recommend adding red light therapy to your treatment routine due to its known low risk factors, unlike some of the other treatments out there. The only people who should avoid red light are those with photosensitizing conditions or autoimmune diseases. Otherwise, anyone can enhance their treatments with red light therapy. You can do this in a clinic or using a device like Current Body's LED hair growth helmet. It's proven to be the most effective at-home hair growth solution, and the helmet can increase hair count by 31% in just 16 weeks. Customers have seen impressive results. 100% felt an improvement in hair thickness when brushing through hair, 96% saw an improvement in hair thickness at the hairline, and 96% felt an improvement in hair strength and thickness. So, how does a light actually make your hair grow? The hair growth helmet uses a clinically proven red wavelength to increase blood flow to the affected hair follicles. Wavelengths of light are usually measured in nanometers. Both in-clinic and at-home devices must use the precise and proven wavelengths to deliver the results that you're looking for. For hair growth, make sure that the device you're using uses wavelengths between 600 to 700 nanometers. The increased blood flow essentially keeps your hair follicles in the growth phase for longer. Dr. Renita says that red light can also reduce DHT, a follicle shrinking hormone, on the scalp and improve circulation, therefore preventing future hair loss and stimulating hair regrowth. When using the LED helmet, your hair follicles will go through a journey over the next 16 weeks. In the first 4 weeks, the LED will begin to increase blood flow and bring oxygen and essential nutrients to inactive hair follicles while delaying the production of DHT. In the next 4 weeks, nutrients then move to the scalp surface, which is essential for waking up hair follicles and therefore supporting existing ones. Between weeks 12 and 16, healthy hair follicles are formed with an overall increase in follicle count. Finally, after 16 weeks, we recommend that you continue using your device regularly to maintain the growth phase of your hair follicles. Overall, while hair loss can feel isolating, know that you are not alone. There are women around you who are likely experiencing the same struggles. The methods we've discussed today can help you regain confidence and work towards a fuller head of hair. We want to change the stigma around female hair loss, and armed with the right information, women should feel empowered to seek out these remedies and share their experiences. We hope this video inspires you to talk openly with your friends about hair loss so that you can support each other and feel more confident together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.